Barbarigo, scuola paritaria, scuola media, liceo classico scientifico e musicale, istituto tecnico economico, istituto Barbarigo, scuola per crescere.
Organized this kind of project every year. This is the 10th year, and every year we go to Italy, but we go to different places. And so this time we have decided to go to Padua because we like Padua, and we have not been here before, but it's a very nice place, and here to rehearse in this institute is very good, because the hall where we sing has a very good acoustic. Well, the music is very important, and this project is meant for people who say that they are not so good at singing. You know, some of them say they cannot sing, and this is why that we have organized this project. And we have in Oslo we have 500 participants in the winter course and in the spring course in Oslo. But here in Italy we have two groups of about 60 people in each group, and many of these people tell me that since they started singing with me, their lives has been changed, meaning that it's so important for them to feel that they can participate with other people in singing. And singing is very important for us.